Numbers are the language of the era. Changhong Plastic Group, China's top plastic wiring equipment firm, owns Yingpai's largest nylon cable tie producer, with leading capacity and market share. Products span electronics, construction, auto sectors, expanding into robotics for industrial scale and penetration dominance. As a national high-tech enterprise, Changhong continues to empower its development through digital transformation, advancing intelligent manufacturing to build more efficient and reliable production systems. We establish comprehensive quality assurance processes for products, using premium quality to earn every ounce of trust. By implementing digital management models, we integrate information technologies, embrace intelligent systems, and exemplify automation excellence. Changhong remains committed to building smarter, safer, and more efficient, modernized large-scale production systems. Our fully automated production lines utilize MES and automated control systems to precisely regulate process parameters. An internet-based digital management platform enables end-to-end traceability via QR codes, ensuring complete and verifiable production data chains. Changhong's commitment to tech innovation shines through its dedicated R&D center, which has earned both USUL certification and Germany's TÜV Lab recognition. We maintain world-class product quality standards, holding over 60 national patents while planting the flag of independent innovation at industry summits, contributing enduring momentum to the sector's healthy development. With nylon cable ties securing energy arteries and cable trays supporting digital civilization, we provide the global infrastructure with Chinese solutions that never loosen. From the Yangtze River Basin to every corner of the globe, Changhong transcends being merely a trademark. It stands as a quality emblem of Chinese intelligent manufacturing.